Alright, so this is the aftermath of everything. Every ground floor houses in Kitchener district has and have been flooded completely. So the entire river water washed the entire Kitchener community. And right here is just a small fraction of what happened into other communities within the further section of Kitchener. I believe water went up to roughly 7 feet high, gushing through the entire community. So every ground floor houses is completely flooded. Persons have to evacuate going upstairs to their neighbor houses yesterday around 7 to 8 o'clock when the water started to rise dangerously. As you can see, some persons trying to see if they can clear some water, the drainage, so water can start run off, so people can start clearing away muds from the houses.